Launching the rocket. Yellow. Da 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 da.
Alright, here we go, last one.
Last one, so we go inside. Alright, launching yellow. I think I'm gonna do mine after lunch. That's what's gonna happen. Alright. Yellow! Launching yellow in how many seconds?
5.
Oh, Logan's still coming back with his.
He doesn't have it.
Oh, he doesn't have it. He didn't find it. Oops. Alright. Yep.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, sweet flips.
Double backflip.
It did a flip and it just landed there in a puff of smoke. That was pretty sweet. At least we know where this one is. Logan, go get it. Go get it.
Don't get it.
Is it on fire?
Don't touch it. It's not fire.
Am I?
Yeah, it's on fire.
I bet it's on fire, guys. Are you going inside now?